Welcome to this tutorial on common issues with Bill4Time rate tables. Bill4Time is a popular time tracking and billing software used by professionals to manage their time and generate invoices. Rate tables are a crucial component of Bill4Time, as they determine the hourly rates for different tasks and services. In this guide, we will walk you through the most common issues that users encounter with Bill4Time rate tables and provide practical solutions to overcome them. First, let's start with the basics. A rate table in Bill4Time is a collection of hourly rates for different tasks, services, or projects. These rates can be customized based on the type of work, client, or project. However, users often encounter issues when setting up or managing their rate tables. One common issue is inconsistent or incorrect rate formatting. To avoid this, ensure that all rates are formatted consistently, using the same decimal places and currency symbols. Another common issue is rate table overlap. This occurs when multiple rate tables are applied to the same task or project, resulting in conflicting rates. To resolve this, review your rate tables and ensure that they are mutually exclusive, with clear rules for determining which rate table takes precedence. Users also often struggle with updating or changing rate tables. To make changes to a rate table, navigate to the rate table settings. Select the rate table you want to modify, and update the rates as needed. Remember to save your changes and verify that they are reflected in your invoices and time tracking records. Best practices for managing Bill4Time rate tables include regularly reviewing and updating your rate tables to reflect changes in your business or industry, using clear and descriptive names for your rate tables, and establishing a consistent naming convention. Additionally, consider setting up multiple rate tables for different clients or projects, and using the rate table validation feature to ensure that rates are applied correctly. In conclusion, common issues with Bill4Time rate tables can be easily overcome by following best practices and taking a few simple precautions. By ensuring consistent rate formatting, avoiding rate table overlap, and regularly updating your rate tables, you can streamline your time tracking and billing processes, and improve the accuracy of your invoices. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can get the most out of your Bill4Time rate tables and take your business to the next level.